All right, so a quick 5 minute presentation of our whole house loft unit. Units of this product is typically used to help deal with humidity related problems which are evident during winter, such as mold, condensation and so on. But basically it will also provide a decent whole house strategy, so it can be used in new build scenarios if required. It's a very, very energy efficient process, and this product is extremely energy efficient in terms of its consumption. Okay. The legs are very flexible. We can mount it on any surface, whether it's even or uneven in a loft space. We can also hang the unit from the rafters. Okay, so just before I explain what this is, the unit itself, these pieces right here, this is the diffuser through which the air is delivered into the house. Okay, so typically the diffuser would appear on the ceiling in a hallway or a landing. The air is basically filtered by the unit in the loft. Okay, it goes into the unit and then it's pushed out through here, through some ducts into the diffuser and then into the property. So this diffuser is designed to minimise noise. Okay, it has a special feature in here to do that. It's also designed to maximise the airflow into the house. And it has these blanking plates right here, which allow us to direct the airflow if we need to avoid wall corners and fire alarms and things like this. You can also see it's rather nice looking, aesthetically pleasing. And so on. So that's the diffuser right here. Now this piece is quite important because it houses the heating element, and with our product the heater can be located at the back of the diffuser as well as part of the unit, and that's quite important when it comes to heat loss. Most products like this, the heater is part of the unit, and therefore heat can be lost from the air that's been heated as it passes through the duct. And that's the reason why you quite often see cold air complaints with products like this. Now that's a thing of the past with this product because we can locate the heater at the back of the diffuser, like I just said. Okay, this is a very, very important differentiating feature of this product. Okay, a very good new innovation. Okay, these are the filters. We can have G4, which is pretty much the industry standard, but we can also have F7 rated filters, which are good at filtering out things like traffic soot and other much finer grained pollutants. All right, so the functionality of the unit is pretty flexible. Again, we feel it's a big differentiating feature of our product. Firstly, an installer can set the ventilation rate according to the number of bedrooms in a property, which is a simple setting. You just set the number of rooms and it will automatically define the ventilation rate according to Part F values. But if you don't want to do that, you can define this specific trickle rate yourself. So you can set the number of litres per second in trickle mode, and also the number of litres per second in energy recovery mode. Now what that is on days when the sun's out, even during winter, you get a build-up of heat energy in the loft space. Okay, so on average, according to the Energy Saving Trust, the loft's about 3 degrees warmer than the rest of the house. This system will automatically recover that heat, and this setting here defines the rate at which that energy is recovered from the loft. Now, according to the Energy Saving Trust, you can save up to 500 kilowatts or recover up to 500 kilowatts of energy from the loft on a household by household basis, and that can obviously result in a large amount of saving. Okay, so the other settings are we can set the rate at which the heating element kicks in. Most products like this only have one setting. We can set this according to a range. We can tell the system which filters are being used. We can tell the unit whether it's being used in radon mode or not. We can set the temperature at which the unit moves back from energy recovery to trickle, which is again a unique setting. We can also set the rate at which the unit will automatically shut off during summer when it doesn't need to work. Again, this is a flexible setting with this product. Now, all of these settings can be saved, and a code can be given to those settings, okay, to prevent it being tampered with by, people. So landlords out there, if you're worried about whether the unit after it's been installed can be changed, you can safeguard against that by setting a code, that will help in that regard. Now, the data logger feature of our product contains a number of values. It doesn't just have the standard number of hours run of the product. What this will tell you is, in addition to the number of hours run, it will tell you how many hours the unit has been run in trickle and how many hours the unit has been run in energy recovery mode. It will also tell you how much energy has been consumed by the fan and also how much energy has been consumed by the heater. Okay, now these values can be defined on an occupancy by occupancy basis, so you can reset the data logger and basically set it per occupancy. So those of you out there who have rental properties, if you want to be able to tell your tenants exactly how much energy these products or these units have consumed, you will be able to do so with our products right here. Okay, the other value on the settings here is the filter change. The unit will tell you when the filters need to be changed automatically. Okay, so that's pretty much it. There's more information on the website. Obviously, we'd be delighted to advise and help if you've got mould and condensation issues that need resolving, or if you just want advice on a pretty good ventilation strategy delivered by these products. We'll be able to help. Do check out our website and come and speak to us soon. Thank you.